Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TCL Tab 10S and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you'd like to be able to check the exact percentage of the battery, then all you have to do is to simply enter the settings. Now let's scroll down in order to find the display, not here, the display. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the status bar, and as you can see on the second position we've got the battery percentage. So let's tap, and here we've got three different options. So probably you have the first one option applied with only the battery indicator, and you can set it inside the battery icon, so just like I had it before, or next to the battery icon. And as you can see, from now on you will be able to check the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your TCL Tab 10S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.